In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a financial statement on QuickBooks Online. First, open your web browser and head to QuickBooks Online. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you manage multiple companies, make sure the correct company file is selected before continuing so the report reflects the right books. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is your hub for all standard financial statements and many helpful summaries. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu and give the page a moment to load. Reports can take a second, especially for larger files. Now choose the type of financial statement you need. Profit and loss, also called the income statement, shows your revenue and expenses over a period and tells you whether you made a profit. Balance sheet gives you a snapshot of what you own, what you owe, and your equity at a point in time. Cash flow statement shows where cash is coming from and where it's going. Click the one that fits your use case. For example, profit and loss for monthly performance, or balance sheet for a lender or year-end review. Before printing, adjust the report to the right period. Use the report period dropdown to pick options like this month, last year, or set a custom date range. Then click Run Report to refresh the data. If you need more control, select Customize. Here you can choose the accounting method, cash or accrual, which can change totals significantly depending on your business. You can also add or remove columns, filter by specific accounts, locations, or classes, and tweak the layout to make the report easier to read. Consider grouping by month or quarter if you want trends, and include prior period columns for quick comparisons. When you're happy, run the report again so you see the final layout. To print, look to the top right of the report and click the printer icon. A preview opens in your browser. Check orientation, portrait, or landscape so wide reports don't get cut off, and look at margins and scaling if the text seems too small. When everything looks good, click Print. Choose your printer, confirm the settings, and send it to paper. If you need to share digitally, many browsers let you select Save as PDF in the same print window. This preserves your formatting for email or archives. That's it. Log in, go to Reports, pick your statement, adjust the period and layout, and print. Pause and replay as needed, and once you've dialed in a layout you like, you'll be able to get polished financial statements in seconds.